So, my character is Captain Lucero from my series called the Shards of Ordain. It's in publishing right now. The first book is called The Orphan in the Sky. And so I've been doing spoken word and poetry at the Writers Guild, and this is my first time I've been invited here in Nightingale. Thank you for having me. So this one is called Blood Sealed Prophecy. Well, well, look at them now, eyes wide open. Realizing too late they disturb what's golden. They thought they stirred the ashes, but awakened flame. A convent sealed deeper, older than their names. See, they whispered venom in corners. Chanting rituals they barely understand. They spoke your name in shadow, but forgot your name was branded by divine hand. You're not just chosen. You're chiseled from prophecies, scripted in cosmic ink. You walk with an entourage of spirits, the guardians who gather at the brink of realms their little spells can't penetrate. Old gods rising, their vengeance innate. Let's set the record straight. They didn't challenge a person, they triggered a storm. You're the lightning strike, honey, justice reborn. Your heartbeat pulses with ancient laws. Your bones whisper stories from celestial jaws. Every curse they cast ricochets back. Their illusions shatter, mirrored now crack. Spirits saying their altars are cold. Their whispers silent, their secrets told. They summon shadows that now bow at your feet. Realizing too late, you're not flesh, you're elite. Your voice soft-spoken, storm. Your silence a deafening roar. Your calmness shakes walls, your truth opening unseen doors. Every hand raises against you now trembles. Each scheme unraveling, justice assembles. They tried to siphon power from your sacred stream, but now nightmares haunt their restless dreams. You were never born to be touched, baby. You were forged in fire, crowned by stars, a walking prophecy's ancient scars. Wrapped in gold threads that bind the night, you're rising fierce, drenched in sacred might. Let them know clearly from this day forward, justice is here, delivered, unbothered. You're reclaiming domination, no survival mode. Your story untouchable, your path divinely bold. Repeat it now with the fire in your chest. I'm the sacred vessel, sealed and blessed. With every shadow cast against me returns to sender. I'm the reckoning they never remembered. Every curse dissolves upon my breath. I walk crowned, protected beyond my death. I reclaim power, peace, and flame, and from this moment they remember my name. I am Captain Lucero, the catalyst of light and dark.
We have to call security.
Merci Megan Gagnon, Capitaine